Attention, WhatsApp users. A new update is coming. The About section will soon have a disappearing message option. Just set the time, and your About will vanish automatically. To use it, simply go to Settings and tap the new Add Status option. Then, type the message you want to display. For example, if you're in a meeting, you could write "in a meeting" so others know you can't reply. You can also add an emoji to match your mood or add a fun touch to your message. Once your message is ready, it's time to decide how long it will stay visible. You can choose from options like 1 hour, 8 hours, 1 day, 2 days, or 1 week, or pick your own custom date and time, giving you complete control over exactly when the message will disappear. This makes it easy to share updates or information without worrying about it staying too long. Once you've selected the date and time, tap the button to post it. The message will automatically disappear at the time you set, so you don't need to do anything else. This way, you can share your messages freely, knowing they will only be visible for the period you choose. Every message that you post will be saved in a list, so that later on, whenever you need it, you can quickly find it and use it again without having to type it all over. You also have the option to remove any of these messages. If you ever want to remove a message before it disappears, you can delete it at any time. This means you don't have to wait for it to disappear. You can remove messages whenever you feel it's necessary.